All right, so we've got the pan searing over here on it's actually electric burner. It's hot, it's real cooking. Gonna add in some olive oil. It's actually light olive oil, believe it or not, but that's what we're gonna do. Add in some olive oil. Don't know how many tablespoons. Enough. Got olive oil. Get my chicken. Throw my chicken in. The bird is off. It's been off the fire. I just wanted to make sure you got a picture of it. You got a view of it. It's been off the fire. I flipped it over. It's added the herbs, the chopped onions, some lemons, sliced some lemons, put it all on top. We've got it inside now. It's going to be inside the oven at about 250 degrees. Oh my God, you can already smell the herbs. It's going to be inside the oven for about 200, for about an hour and a half, about an hour and a half. Slice up 200. These mushrooms, worry about, think about the Chinese. I think they do it right. Their food comes out in bite-sized pieces. People don't have to worry about, you don't see a lot of knives in China, right? When it comes to at the table. That's how you can eat everything with the chopsticks. Basically put black pepper and some oregano. This is oregano. This is a Greek seasoning. It's basically oregano, lemon, some carrots, salt, mushrooms that's been chopped. Got some cabbage out of the refrigerator. I'm going to make a saute and put it in and let this roast. I had initially decided to put the mushrooms in with the chicken, but now a little editorial discretion and change my mind. So make something different. A little bit of braising liquid. Let it sit in. Add some olive oil. For the sake of time, I like to first pre-cook my carrots a little bit. No real big reason, just, I don't know. Because right now we're talking about 30 minutes in the oven at 425 with the cabbage and the mushrooms. The cabbage and the mushrooms. Give them a quick toss, quick stir, make sure everything mixes up. Place some aluminum foil. Cover it up. I'm going to place it in the oven. It's been sitting there. It's been in the broth like we cooked it. Looks good, huh? Smell it, take a look at it. We've got cabbage, the mushrooms, all rolling up together. Yeah. Now here's the trick. It's not going to look good when it first comes out, but it's sure as hell it smells good. So this is the bird. What I like to do right now is move some of this away, because now is the time, now that it's cooked, I'm gonna let it actually broil for another 5 minutes. I'm gonna take some of the juices. It's already there. Get my lid. Get down in here and take some of the juices. Fill it up. Pour some of the juices around it. Just let it brown off on a broil. You know, use a plate. About 5 minutes. With me, I do whatever. You know, I'm easy. Just gonna let. Just shows you how easy it went through. If you can see how fast we sliced through the bird. Really done well. Get presentation going here. Take this part out. Just dress it up with some vegetables. And voila! Dinner is ready. Now this plate is definitely not for one person, but it is a good start for us. It's family style cooking. From what's in the fridge, put a little sauce on top. Everything's good with sauce. And that's it. We have fresh roasted chicken with herbs, green onions, lemons, and with sauteed with braised cabbage, carrots, and oyster mushrooms.